Yoga Foundations, Building Class Confidence. My name is Sarah Kiriconi, Live Free Warrior, your trainer in this program. This program is going to give you all of the basic terminology, the fundamentals of yoga, what some of the words are, and proper alignment so that when you are ready to either take some of the other classes that I have here on this platform or the other trainers, or you want to jump into a class, you're going to feel confident, ready to go. This requires zero experience. You need no equipment whatsoever, no excuses. And I promise you, I started yoga, I didn't like it, I had no idea what I was doing, and here I am today. We all can learn, we just have to have an open mind and eagerness to get started. So on that note, let's jump right in. Again, my name is Sarah Kiriconi, Live Free Warrior. Looking forward to being a part of your yoga and wellness journey.